Introducing SONCO's Enduramat, the ground protection mat for construction job sites. An innovative solution to prevent erosion, enhance job site safety, and simplify deployment, replacing outdated options like heavy metal plates and slippery plywood. It can be used in different scenarios to create safer paths for vehicles and workers. You can use as a work platform, creating safe and stable work areas for construction crews and heavy equipment over challenging ground conditions. Use the Enduramat to create and designate safe areas for storing equipment or certain staff activities. Enduramat's textured grip makes it perfect for helping vehicle tires maintain traction, even in damp or inclement weather. The Enduramat, measuring 96 inches long, 48 inches wide, and only 0.5 inches thick, is an ultra-thin yet durable solution made of a high-density polyethylene. Weighing just 70 pounds, it supports vehicles up to 80 tons, distributing weight evenly to protect the ground beneath. Get the safest and most sustainable ground protection solution for your construction site. Contact us now.